Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. A momentous day. The 57 Chevy 210 is under the roof. So we moved her into the carport tonight, and this is going to be a breeze where I can work on it now. Now, if it just cool off a little bit, we'd be good. I've been going through about 3 shirts a day, changing things. So, but you know, I'm glad to be this far and blessed with what I got, and very happy just to have it even under roof and on some concrete. And it makes a huge difference when you're trying to work on these things, trying to work on them in the dirt. And my heart goes out to all you guys that are doing it, that are maybe have a dirt floor shop or just don't even have a shop, doing it in the backyard. That guy in Turkey, I don't remember your name, sir, but hats off to you. Just keep on working on the 57. But as you can see, she's dripping a little water. It's been raining a lot here just about every day. So I got some, my rocker panels are there, but you can see the floorboards are pretty much shot. And I've videoed this before. The bottom of the door, you can see how bad that is over there. But you know, it's I have a new dashboard because the dashboard is toast. You see the dashboard there? So it's going to be a labor of love putting her back together, as they all are, you know. She needs a new quarter there. I got a used one. But this side was smashed in, so really bad. Looked like they sideswiped a guardrail or a post or something. So and then as you recognize from one of my other videos, I was doing some paint removal with that what is it, it's kind of like that Contour SRT, but it's you know, just a knockoff model. But anyhow, looking forward to getting a little farther forward on this project. It is like I say, it's a blessing to be able to have the roof to work under her now. So now I probably won't get all the comments that I got before when I was working in my house and trying to, but I did manage to find a couple fenders for this side over here that were pretty much rust free. Then this side, the driver's side, I did find a patch panel for the front where they rot out down below. And so really looking forward to making some progress on this thing in the next probably 4 or 5 weeks. We'll be working on her. I got to going to be up in Michigan for a little bit to visit some family, but you know, hey, I'm blessed. It's a good thing. It's a good day, and glad to have her in the shop finally. So we'll see where we go from here. Take it easy, guys. Keep the rubber side down.